The primary purpose of the thesaurus tool in MS Word is to find. Answer is synonyms. The F7 function key is primarily used to launch which feature? Answer is spelling and grammar check. What is the default number of lines a drop cap affects when first inserted? Answer is 3. The shortcut key Ctrl plus F12 is used to. Answer is open the open dialog box. The special toolbar that displays a series of names like File and Home, each representing a list of commands, is called the. Answer is ribbon. The zoom control slider is located in which corner of the Word window? Answer is lower right. Word wrap refers to the feature that. Answer is automatically moves text to the next line when the right margin is reached. Which feature automatically corrects common typing mistakes as you type? Answer is autocorrect. What is the function of the gutter margin in a document? Answer is it adds extra space to the side or top margin for binding. When assigning a custom keyboard shortcut, you should ideally choose a combination that is. Answer is currently unassigned. The absolute maximum zoom percentage in MS Word is. Answer is 500%. Pressing the F8 key 5 times will. Answer is select the entire document. What is the largest font size you can manually enter in the MS Word font size box? Answer is 1638. A quick way to open the columns dialog box is to. Answer is double-click the space between columns on the ruler. What action does the Ctrl plus N keyboard shortcut perform? Answer is creates a new blank document. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a manual line break, without starting a new paragraph? Answer is Shift plus Enter. Question: what is the executable file that launches Microsoft Word? Answer is winword.exe. Question: which of these is not a recognized version of Microsoft Office? Answer is Office Vista. Question: the smallest and largest font sizes available in the standard font size drop-down menu are? Answer is 8 and 72. Question: which keyboard shortcut is used to open the Save As dialog box? Answer is F12. Question: the primary purpose of the thesaurus tool in MS Word is to find. Answer is synonyms. Question: what is the default file extension for a document saved in a modern version of MS Word, example 2016 or later? Answer is .docs. Question: which of the following best describes the word wrap feature? Answer is it automatically moves text to the next line when it reaches the margin. Question: buttons for insert date, format page number, and insert auto text are found on which toolbar? Answer is header and footer. Question: the minimum number of rows and columns a word table can have is? Answer is 1 and 1. Question: which menu or option is used to permanently close a specific document without exiting the Word application? Answer is close. Question: what is the maximum number of columns you can insert into a single page in a Word document? Answer is 45. Question: which key is pressed to start a new paragraph? Answer is Enter. Question: the F7 function key is primarily used to launch which feature? Answer is spelling and grammar check. Question: what is the default font in MS Word 2016 and later versions? Answer is Calibri. Question: the terms portrait and landscape refer to what document setting? Answer is page orientation. Question: which keyboard shortcut closes the currently active document window? Answer is Ctrl plus F4. Question: to apply a hanging indent to a paragraph, the correct keyboard shortcut is? Answer is Ctrl plus T. Question: which feature is used to create a layout with multiple text columns, similar to a newspaper? Answer is columns. Question: the header and footer toolbar becomes active when you are in which view? Answer is print layout view. Question: Which of the following is not a valid method to close the entire MS Word application? Answer is selecting Close from the File menu. Question: the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus equals is used for? Answer is superscript. Question: what is the default number of lines a drop cap affects when first inserted? Answer is 3. Question: the maximum number of rows allowed in a single MS Word table is? Answer is 32,767. Question: which dialog box allows you to change the vertical alignment, example center, justify, of text on a page? Answer is Page Setup dialog box. Question: the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus B applies what formatting to selected text? Answer is bold. Question: background colors or page border effects are typically not visible in which view? Answer is Print Preview. Question: the ribbon interface introduced in Word 2007 is organized into a series of? Answer is tabs. Question: which keyboard shortcut opens the print dialog box? Answer is Ctrl plus P. Question: to save an existing document with a completely new name or location, you must use? Answer is Save As. Question: MS Word is best categorized as what type of software? Answer is application software. Question: what was the default font in versions of MS Word prior to 2007? Answer is Times New Roman. Question: the maximum number of lines that can be formatted as a drop cap is? Answer is 10. Question: which of the following is a collection of pre-made images and graphics for use in documents? Answer is clip art. Question: the shortcut key Ctrl plus F12 is used to? Answer is Open the Open dialog box. Question: the default font size in the normal template for Word 2016 and above is? Answer is 11 pt. Question: which of the following is not considered a word processing software? Answer is File Manager. Question: how many standard positions are available for placing a drop cap? Answer is 2. Question: the default font size in the normal template for versions of Word before 2003 was? Answer is 12 pt. Question: the keyboard shortcut to open the font dialog box is? Answer is Ctrl plus D. Question: headers and footers are, by default, printed on? Answer is every page. Question: the keyboard shortcut Shift plus F7 is used to? Answer is Open the thesaurus. Question: the shortcut key Ctrl plus equals is used to apply what formatting? Answer is subscript. Question: how many primary methods are available to save a document using the MS Word interface? Answer is 3. Question: to force a column break and start a new column immediately, you would press? Answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Question: the columns dialog box can be accessed by? Answer is clicking the Columns button on the Layout tab and selecting More Columns. Question: the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus N is used to? Answer is Create a new blank document. Question: what is the maximum number of columns that can be inserted into an MS Word table? Answer is 63. Question: to see how headers and footers will appear on the printed page, you should use? Answer is Print Layout View. Question: which of the following statements about page orientation is true? Answer is It can be changed at any time. Question: the Insert Date, Format Page Number, and Insert Auto Text buttons are located on which specific toolbar? Answer is Header and Footer toolbar. Question: the word count feature in MS Word provides statistics on which of the following? Answer is words, characters, lines, and paragraphs. Question: to adjust the blank space around the edges of a page, you would modify the? Answer is margins. Question: options to apply effects like strike through or shadow are found in which tab of the font dialog box? Answer is font. Question, which of the following is considered a text effect or format, not a standard font style? Answer is superscript. Question, to quickly send a Word document via email directly from the application, you would use. Answer is file share email attachment. Question, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I is used to. Answer is apply italic formatting to selected text. Question, the special toolbar that displays a series of names like file and home, each representing a list of commands, is called the. Answer is ribbon. Question, the set of buttons that change the document view, example print layout, read mode, is typically found. Answer is on the left of the horizontal scroll bar. Question, to create a document that is wider than it is tall, you should change the. Answer is page orientation. Question, before finalizing and sharing a document, it is crucial to always use the. Answer is spelling and grammar checker. Question, the keyboard shortcut to toggle between displaying field codes and their results is. Answer is Alt plus F9. Question, to create a new line without starting a new paragraph, a manual line break, you press. Answer is Shift plus Enter. Question, the primary key used to start a brand new paragraph is the. Answer is Enter key. Question, in a mail merge, the main document contains. Answer is the static information that is identical in every merged letter. Question, the zoom slider control is located on the. Answer is status bar. Question, the primary purpose of adding headers and footers to a document is to. Answer is have consistent text or page numbers appear on every page. Question, in MS Word, borders can be applied to which of the following? Answer is paragraphs, text, and table cells. Question, when you type 3 hyphens, dash dash dash, and press enter, Word's auto format feature will. Answer is place a thin border line above the paragraph. Question, the find command in Word can be used to search for. Answer is specific words or characters, special symbols, and specific formatting. Question, which of the following is not a standard step in the classic mail merge process? Answer is setting the mailing list parameters. Question, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J is used to. Answer is justify paragraph alignment. Question, the position of the scroll box on the vertical scroll bar indicates your. Answer is relative location within the entire document. Question, to align the selected paragraph flush with the right margin, you would press. Answer is Ctrl+R. Question, which of the following features is found on the page layout tab, not the home tab? Answer is columns. Question, to relocate a section of text from one part of a document to another, you would use. Answer is cut and paste. Question, the best view to see exactly how your text and graphics will look when printed is. Answer is print layout view. Question, the ruler in MS Word assists with which of the following tasks? Answer is setting tab stops, adjusting indents, changing page margins. Question, a predefined set of colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to a document is called a. Answer is theme. Question, a drop cap in a document is used to. Answer is begin a paragraph with a large, decorative initial letter. Question, to display key tips on the ribbon, allowing you to use the keyboard instead of the mouse, you press the. Answer is Alt key. Question, the process of enhancing the visual presentation of text and pages is known as. Answer is formatting. Question, what is the result of selecting text and then checking the hidden box in the font dialog box? Answer is the text is concealed from view on the screen and in print. Question, pressing the home key on your keyboard moves the cursor to the. Answer is beginning of the current line. Question, pressing the end key moves the cursor to the. Answer is end of the current line. Question, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N will. Answer is move the cursor to the very end of the document. Question, to switch a document's layout from tall to wide, you must access the. Answer is page setup dialog box. Question, you should press the enter key in all of the following situations except. Answer is when the cursor automatically moves to the next line, word wrap. Question, the zoom control slider is located in which corner of the word window? Answer is lower right. Question, word wrap refers to the feature that. Answer is automatically moves text to the next line when the right margin is reached. Question, the range of zoom magnification available in MS Word is from. Answer is 10% to 500%. Question, to move an entire table, you can click and drag the handle that appears at the tables. Answer is upper left corner. Question, the save command is primarily accessed from which menu? Answer is the File tab, Backstage View. Question, to quickly copy formatting from one section of text to another, you should use the. Answer is Format Painter tool. Question, the keyboard shortcut used to insert a hyperlink is. Answer is Ctrl+K. Question, the small squares surrounding a selected graphic that are used to resize it are called. Answer is sizing handles. Question, which key removes the character immediately to the left of the blinking cursor? Answer is backspace key. Question, which key removes the character immediately to the right of the blinking cursor? Answer is delete key. Question, citations or references that appear on a separate page at the end of a document are called. Answer is endnotes. Question, which feature automatically corrects common typing mistakes as you type? Answer is autocorrect. Question, altering the look of individual letters, numbers, and symbols is known as. Answer is character formatting. Question, the all caps effect in the font dialog box is different from choosing uppercase in the change case dialog because. Answer is it is a toggleable format that can be easily removed. Question, what is the function of the gutter margin in a document? Answer is it adds extra space to the side or top margin for binding. Question, pressing Ctrl+Shift+F8 enables which specific selection mode? Answer is column, rectangular, selection. Question, in print layout view, you can hide the top/bottom white space and the gray space between pages too. Answer is view more content on the screen. Question, compared to landscape, a document in portrait orientation typically. Answer is has fewer characters per line. Question, which of the following is not a valid text position option in MS Word? Answer is centered. Question, which of the following is not an option in the font spacing menu? Answer is loosely. Question, to quickly move the insertion point to the beginning of the next word, you press. Answer is Ctrl+ right arrow. Question, to select a large block of text efficiently, you click at the start, hold down which key, and then click at the end? Answer is Shift. Question, a formatting mark that creates a new line without starting a new paragraph is called a. Answer is line break character. Question, MS Word's web authoring tools allow you to incorporate which of the following on a web page? Answer is numbered and bulleted lists, hyperlinks, background sounds. Question, a toolbar that is not docked to an edge of the window and can be moved freely is called a. Answer is floating toolbar. Question, the programming language used to create macros in MS Word is. Answer is Visual Basic for Applications, VBA. Question, the operation that transfers text from the clipboard into a document is called. Answer is paste. Question, which of the following is not a standard step in the mail merge process? Answer is sorting the data source records. Question, the fastest way to duplicate a selected item within a document is often. Answer is drag and drop while holding Control. Question, When assigning a custom keyboard shortcut, you should ideally choose a combination that is. Answer is currently unassigned. Question: the replace command is powerful because it allows you to. Answer is make multiple changes throughout a document at once. Question: in the context of mail merge, the file containing the recipient information, names, addresses, is called the. Answer is data source. Question: the process of combining a data source with a standard document to create personalized copies is called. Answer is mail merge. Question: to select several non-adjacent cells in a table, you select the first cell and then hold down which key while selecting others? Answer is Control. Question: a predefined set of colors, borders, and shading that can be applied to a table is called a. Answer is Table Style. Question: the typography feature that adjusts the space between specific character pairs to improve visual appearance is called. Answer is kerning. Question: if a document created on one computer uses a different font on another, the most likely reason is. Answer is the original font is not installed on the second computer. Question: which of the following is not a standard type of page margin? Answer is center. Question: what is the maximum font size you can manually type into the font size box in MS Word? Answer is 1638. Question: by default, Word sets automatic tab stops at every. Answer is 0.5 inch. Question: what is the primary purpose of the crop tool, found on the Picture Tools Format tab? Answer is to trim unwanted portions of an image. Question: the drag and drop technique is best used for. Answer is quickly moving or copying text short distances. Question: to quickly open the columns dialog box, you can. Answer is double-click the left margin area of the ruler. Question: a change that involves inserting text that was previously omitted is best done using the. Answer is paste command. Question: which of the following is not a core component of a mail merge data source? Answer is mail merge toolbar. Question: to stop a document from printing, you would typically. Answer is double-click the printer icon on the system tray. Question: the key used to advance rightward from one cell to the next in a table is. Answer is Tab. Question: pressing Shift plus Enter creates a. Answer is line break, new line without a new paragraph. Question: the page up key moves the insertion point. Answer is one screen up. Question: pressing Ctrl plus page down moves the insertion point. Answer is to the top of the next page. Question: the most common method to insert page numbers into a document is found under which menu? Answer is Insert. Question: what action does the Ctrl plus left arrow shortcut perform? Answer is moves to the beginning of the previous word. Question: a floating toolbar is characterized by its ability to. Answer is be moved anywhere within the document window. Question: the main purpose of the clip art feature is to. Answer is insert pre-made illustrations into a document. Question: the most appropriate use for a word processor would be to. Answer is write a report or letter. Question: the absolute maximum zoom percentage in MS Word is. Answer is 500%. Question: the term for text that has been cut or copied and is waiting to be pasted is that it is on the. Answer is clipboard. Question: which of the following is an essential component for performing a mail merge? Answer is word fields placed in the main document. Question: the quickest way to navigate upward by one full screen is to press the. Answer is page up key. Question: the default tab stops that Word sets on the ruler are best described as. Answer is left aligned and automatic. Question: what is the maximum distance from the left margin where you can set a tab stop in MS Word? Answer is 22 inches. Question: which of the following are default settings for a new Word document? Answer is standard letter size paper, 8.5 x 11. Question, pressing the F8 key twice will select. Answer is a word. Question, pressing the F8 key 3 times will select. Answer is a sentence. Question, pressing the F8 key 4 times will select. Answer is a paragraph. Question, the feature that automatically saves a copy of your document at regular intervals is configured in. Answer is Word Options Save. Question, to navigate through a document one page at a time, you would use. Answer is Control plus page up and Control plus page down. Question, the keyboard shortcut Control plus down arrow moves the cursor. Answer is to the beginning of the next paragraph. Question, the feature that records every addition, deletion, and formatting change made to a document is called. Answer is Track Changes. Question, which of the following is the best name for an autocorrect entry that types a long, formal rejection phrase? Answer is Subdeck. Question, elements like shimmer, sparkle text, and blinking background are categorized as. Answer is Text Effects. Question, formatting options such as superscript, subscript, and emboss are known as. Answer is Font Effects. Question, which of the following is not a valid line spacing option in MS Word? Answer is triple. Question, by default, Word formats a newly created hyperlink as. Answer is underlined and blue. Question, what is the primary purpose of inserting a bookmark in a document? Answer is to mark a location for quick navigation. Question, the page setup dialog box allows you to change. Answer is margins, page orientation, vertical alignment. Question, to reorganize sections within a large, master document, you must first switch to. Answer is Outline View. Question, the search box on the ribbon that allows you to type questions or terms for help is called. Answer is Tell Me. Question, to apply background shading to words or paragraphs, you would use the commands located in the. Answer is Page Layout tab, Page Background Group, Borders and Shading. Question, what is the function of the navigation pane, formerly Document Map? Answer is to display headings and allow quick navigation through the document. Question, which of the following statements about headers and footers is false? Answer is a unique header can be automatically created for the last page of a section. Question, the instruction point, end mark, mouse pointer, rulers, scroll bars, and status bar are all parts of the. Answer is Word document window. Question, to automatically replace straight quotation marks with curly, smart quotes as you type, you enable an option in. Answer is Autocorrect Options. Question, which of the following is not a standard type of tab stop alignment? Answer is Justify. Question, the default left and right margin setting in a modern version of Word, 2016 or later, is. Answer is 1 inch. Question, pressing the F8 key 5 times will. Answer is select the entire document. Question, the keyboard shortcut Control plus right arrow is used to. Answer is move the cursor one word to the right. Question, the keyboard shortcut Control plus left arrow is used to. Answer is move the cursor one word to the left. Question, the keyboard shortcut Control plus up arrow moves the cursor. Answer is to the beginning of the previous paragraph. Question, which of the following can be used to create interactive navigation within a document? Answer is hyperlinks. Question, bold, italic, and regular are standard options under which formatting category? Answer is font styles. Question, to find a mathematical symbol like a degree sign, degree, or a Greek letter, pi, you should use the. Answer is symbol dialog box. Question, how many primary margins can be adjusted on a page? Answer is 4, top, bottom, left, right. Question, If you want to save and review different stages of a document's development, which legacy feature could you use? Answer is document versions. Question: to display the horizontal and vertical rulers in your document, you need to. Answer is go to the View tab and check the ruler box. Question: the latest version of Microsoft Office as of a typical 2021 to 2023 curriculum is? Answer is Office 2021. Question: the main elements of the Word application window include all of the following except? Answer is the Windows taskbar. Question: the small, vertical line that indicates where text will be inserted when you start typing is called the? Answer is insertion point. Question: what is the standard left margin setting in a new Word 2003 document? Answer is 1.25 inches. Question: to modify the design of letters and numbers, typeface, which menu would you primarily use? Answer is Format, or Home tab font group in newer versions. Question: which of the following is considered a text effect rather than a standard font style? Answer is Superscript. Question: what is the largest font size you can manually enter in the MS Word font size box? Answer is 1638. Question: how can you quickly auto-adjust a table column to fit its contents? Answer is double-click the right border of the column. Question: pressing the F12 function key typically opens which dialog box? Answer is Save As. Question: to ensure your document displays with the correct fonts on any computer, which save option should you select? Answer is Embed True Type Fonts. Question: the process of combining a list of names and addresses with a form letter is known as? Answer is Mail Merge. Question: which feature allows you to produce personalized letters for a large number of recipients efficiently? Answer is Mail Merge. Question: what is the most common use for word processing software like MS Word? Answer is writing reports, letters, and essays. Question: in printing, what is a gutter margin? Answer is extra margin space added to the side of a document for binding. Question: what provides quick one-click access to frequently used commands like save and undo? Answer is the Quick Access toolbar. Question: what is the maximum zoom percentage available in the preset drop-down list? Answer is 200%. Question: altering the visual presentation of text, such as fonts and alignment, is referred to as? Answer is formatting. Question: which programming language is the foundation for creating macros in MS Word? Answer is Visual Basic for Applications, VBA. Question: which keyboard shortcut increases the left indent of a paragraph? Answer is Ctrl+M. Question: a Word template can store which of the following? Answer is predefined styles and macros, custom auto text entries, boilerplate text, and graphics. Question: what term refers to the blank space that separates columns in a multi-column layout? Answer is gutter. Question: what does the EXT indicator on the status bar signify? Answer is Extended Text Selection Mode is active. Question: what is the purpose of a drop cap in a document? Answer is to style the first character of a paragraph as a large capital letter. Question: which view most accurately shows how a document will look when printed? Answer is Print Layout View. Question: to check the precise placement of footnotes or endnotes on the page, you should use? Answer is Print Layout View or Print Preview. Question: regarding page orientation, which statement is correct? Answer is it can be changed at any time. Question: which command allows you to paste text from the clipboard without bringing its original formatting? Answer is Paste Special, as unformatted text. Question: when Word identifies a potential spelling mistake, how is it typically indicated? Answer is a red squiggly underline. Question: how do you remove a custom tab stop from the ruler? Answer is click and drag it off the ruler. Question, which of the following is not a type of section break? Answer is previous page. Question, which of the following was never an official version of Microsoft Office? Answer is Office Vista. Question, by default, where are headers and footers printed in a document? Answer is on every page. Question, where is the horizontal split bar located, allowing you to divide the document window? Answer is at the top of the vertical scroll bar. Question, what is the function of the Ctrl+G keyboard shortcut? Answer is open the Go To tab in the Find and Replace dialog box. Question, a character that is positioned slightly above the normal text line and is often smaller is called? Answer is superscript. Question, what is the name for the feature that automatically moves text to the next line without pressing enter? Answer is word wrap. Question, to change the size and style of your text, font, you would primarily use options found under which menu or tab? Answer is Home, or Format menu in older versions. Question, which feature is used to arrange text into multiple side-by-side columns, like a newspaper? Answer is Columns. Question, how can you access the Columns dialog box? Choose the most complete answer. Answer is from the Format menu or by double-clicking the column area on the ruler. Question, how can you move the insertion point to the next column in a multi-column layout? Answer is press Alt plus down arrow or click in the next column. Question, a quick way to open the columns dialog box is to? Answer is double-click the space between columns on the ruler. Question, the option to show or hide text boundaries, dotted lines around text areas, is found in? Answer is Word Options, or Options from the Tools menu. Question, which of the following are examples of word processing applications? Answer is WordPerfect, Google Docs, Microsoft Word. Question, what action does the Ctrl+N keyboard shortcut perform? Answer is creates a new blank document. Question, to exit a wizard, like the resume wizard, without completing it, you click. Answer is cancel. Question, items like page numbers, dates, and cross-references are inserted into a document as? Answer is fields. Question, which of the following is not a required component to perform a mail merge? Answer is word fields placed in the data source. Question, if the language bar is not visible on your screen but is set to appear on startup, its current state is? Answer is hidden. Question, the autocorrect feature was initially created to fix what common issue? Answer is misspelled words. Question, to properly see and edit headers and footers, you need to be in which view? S? Answer is print layout view or print preview. Question, the Ctrl+Q keyboard shortcut is used to? Answer is remove manual paragraph formatting, like indents and spacing. Question, how will a background color or watermark appear when you print the document? Answer is it will not be visible by default, example in print preview. Question, to make text appear smaller on your screen to see more of the page, you should? Answer is decrease the zoom percentage. Question, what are the smallest and largest preset font sizes available in the standard toolbar dropdown? Answer is 8 and 72. Question, which command is used to close the current document file without exiting Word? Answer is close. Question, what was the default file extension for documents created in MS Word 97 to 2003? Answer is .doc. Question, what is the primary purpose of headers and footers? Answer is to place repeating information like page numbers on every page. Question, the Shift plus Delete key combination performs what action? Answer is permanently deletes an item, bypassing the recycle bin. Question, what is a section in a Word document? Answer is a portion of a document where you can apply unique page layout settings. Question, how do you apply a double underline to selected text? Answer is use the font dialog box and select double underline from the style options. Question: what tool allows you to quickly copy formatting from one piece of text to another? Answer is Format Painter. Question: which of the following is not one of the three main steps in the classic mail merge helper? Answer is set the mailing list parameters. Question: to select a large block of text, click at the start, hold down which key, and click at the end? Answer is Shift. Question: which of the following indent controls is not found on the ruler? Answer is Center indent. Question: what is the default alignment for text in a new Word document? Answer is left aligned, ragged right edge. Question: what does the Ctrl+W shortcut typically do? Answer is saves and closes the current document. Question: what is the narrowest a column can be made in a Word table? Answer is 0.5 inches. Question: what is the minimum amount of space required between columns? Answer is 0 inches, columns can be touching. Question: which of the following is not an option in the character spacing menu? Answer is loosely. Question: which of the following is not a valid text position option? Answer is centered. Question: what is the maximum number of columns you can create on a single page in MS Word? Answer is 63. Question: which task is not part of the standard mail merge process? Answer is formatting the main document's styles, this is done beforehand. Question: which file type cannot be previewed in the older clip art browser? Answer is MP3, audio. Question: to view different parts of a long document without moving the insertion point, you should. Answer is use the scroll bars. Question: by default, how many lines of text does a drop cap affect? Answer is 3. Question: what is the main function of a bookmark? Answer is to mark a location for quick navigation later. Question: what is the maximum number of lines you can format with a drop cap? Answer is 10. Question: how do you embed a sound file into a Word document? Answer is use insert object create from file. Question: what are macros? Answer is small programs that automate repetitive tasks using VBA. Question: your footer shows a page number 1, but you want it to show I. How do you change this? Answer is use the page number format dialog to choose a different number format. Question: to insert a special character or symbol, you go to which menu/tab? Answer is insert. Question: in a mail merge, what is the file containing the recipient list called? Answer is the data source. Question: what is the default font size in a new document based on the normal template in modern Word? Answer is 11 pt. Question: what is the quickest way to initiate a spelling and grammar check? Answer is press F7. Question: how do you force text to break and start a new column immediately? Answer is press Ctrl+Shift+Enter, insert column break. Question: how do you turn off the extended selection, EXT, mode? Answer is press the ESC key. Question: to stop the automatic creation of bulleted lists, you can do all of the following except. Answer is click the undo button on the toolbar. Question: which toolbar or ribbon tab contains the controls for changing fonts and sizes? Answer is formatting toolbar, or home tab. Question: to send a Word document as an email attachment directly from Word, you use. Answer is file share send as attachment. Question: the horizontal bar at the top of the window that contains command groups like file, home, and insert is called the. Answer is ribbon, or menu bar in older versions. Question: in Word 2007 and above, where can you find the zoom control? Answer is on the View tab or on the status bar. Question: the short horizontal line that marks the end of the document's content is the. Answer is end mark. Question: The small squares around a selected image that are used to resize it are called. Answer is sizing handles. Question: what is the keyboard shortcut to insert a manual line break, without starting a new paragraph? Answer is Shift plus Enter. Question: which key is pressed to create a new paragraph? Answer is Enter. Question: how do you toggle between displaying field codes, example page, and their results, example 1? Answer is press Alt plus F9. Question: to use the keyboard to select commands on the ribbon, you first press which key to show key tips? Answer is Alt. Question: to create a new autocorrect entry that replaces a short acronym with a long phrase, you should first. Answer is type the phrase in the document, select it, then open the autocorrect dialog. Question: which keyboard shortcut opens the font size drop-down menu on the toolbar? Answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Question: how do you apply superscript formatting to selected text? Answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus sign. Question: what is the effect of pressing Ctrl plus equal sign? Answer is it applies subscript formatting. Question: if certain characters automatically change to unexpected symbols while typing, the most likely cause is? Answer is the autocorrect feature. Question: which command is essential to run before finalizing and sharing any document? Answer is spelling and grammar check. Question: the buttons that allow you to switch between print layout, read mode, and other views are located? Answer is to the left of the horizontal scroll bar. Question: buttons for insert date, format page number, and insert auto text are found on which specialized toolbar? Answer is header and footer toolbar. Question: to adjust the blank spaces around the edges of a page, you use the? Answer is page setup dialog box. Question: how can you move the insertion point within a table? Select the most complete answer. Answer is using the Tab key, arrow keys, Shift plus Tab, to move backward. Question: which toolbar is typically visible by default in a new Word session? Answer is Formatting toolbar. Question: a table in a document is best described as? Answer is a grid organized into columns and rows. Question: the main document types you can create for a mail merge include? Answer is letters and envelopes, mailing labels and catalogs. Question: the word count feature provides statistics on which of the following? Answer is number of words, characters, lines, and paragraphs. Question: to relocate a section of text from one part of a document to another, you use? Answer is cut and paste. Question: how can you open the Find and Replace dialog box to replace text? Answer is press Ctrl plus H or use the Edit menu. Question: to recalculate and update the result of a formula inside a table cell, you press? Answer is F9. Question: to navigate through a document one page at a time, you can use? Answer is Ctrl plus page down and Ctrl plus page up. Question: the word wrap feature ensures that text? Answer is automatically moves to the next line when it reaches the margin. Question: to center text vertically between the top and bottom margins of a page, you adjust the? Answer is layout settings in the page setup dialog box. Question: which of the following is typically not included in a standard Office software suite? Answer is File Manager, like Windows Explorer. Question: where would you find the Draw Table tool button, used to create tables by drawing? Answer is on the Tables and Borders toolbar. Question: formatting options like superscript, subscript, and emboss are categorized as? Answer is Font Effects. Question: visual effects like shimmer or sparkle applied to text are known as? Answer is Text Effects. Question: the feature that automatically saves a document at regular intervals is configured in? Answer is the Save tab in Word Options. Question: What action does pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F8 perform? Answer is it activates column, rectangular, text selection. Question, an optional instruction that modifies the behavior of a word field is called a N. Answer is switch. Question, key elements of a formal business letter include. Answer is the date, inside address, the body message and signature block. Question, which feature helps minimize typographical and spelling errors as you type? Answer is autocorrect. Question, before executing a mail merge, you can perform which actions on your data source? Answer is create a new list, edit or sort an existing list. Question, to change a document's layout from tall, portrait, to wide, landscape, you use the. Answer is page setup dialog box. Question, the vertical alignment of text on a page, top, center, justified, is changed in the. Answer is page setup dialog box. Question, a predefined set of colors, fonts, and visual effects that can be applied to a document is a. Answer is theme. Question, to create a document that is wider than it is tall, you change the. Answer is page orientation. Question, changing the appearance of individual characters, such as font and size, is known as. Answer is character formatting. Question, the keyboard shortcut to open the print dialog box is. Answer is Ctrl plus P. Question, when linking data between Office applications, the file where the data originates is called the. Answer is source document. Question, a drop cap refers to. Answer is styling the first character of a paragraph as a large capital letter. Question, which marker on the ruler controls the indentation of all lines in a paragraph except the first line? Answer is hanging indent marker. Question, which of the following is not an option under the Insert Picture menu? Answer is graph. Question, how many standard positions are available for placing a drop cap? Answer is 2, dropped or in margin.